Nothing. Nothing happened to Josh from TrailBuilt. Well, except for I am no longer employed with TrailBuilt anymore. So, long story short, it's an amicable breakup per se. What happened was the company decided they needed to downsize, and they liquidated assets, sold some buildings, and within that process of downsizing, liquidating, they let go a whole bunch of people. Because TrailBuilt's part of a big conglomerate that's SD Wheel Corp, and underneath that umbrella is Custom Offsets, Fitment Industries, SD Wheel, TrailBuilt, and there's a few other ones, Anthem Off-Road Wheels. Anyways, there was a whole bunch of people let go, including myself, which just goes to show you, you never know if your future is secure at a certain position. So, and that's okay, because I understand business and I understand why. I mean, the economy has just been crazy over the last few years. With COVID, there is a huge boost in sales throughout all industries. And then that bubble, well, it was only sustainable for so long until it just burst. And basically the bottom fell out from all of those sales, and all of these different companies had to downsize. So the good news is I did see that coming, and it wasn't a big surprise. So I'd already started planning for what I thought was going to be the inevitable, which it was. However, I still miss working there. It's been a couple of months now, because I work with a really great team. Zach and I have been there for, well, since the beginning, since about mid-2019 or so. And, he is the last one left on the actual TrailBuilt team. But not just Zach, there's Fred. Fred was a huge impact to the TrailBuilt team. There's Keaton. Keaton was another one that also got let go at the same time I did. Keaton was our videographer, super talented. But, the biggest thing with working for TrailBuilt was the learning experience. The knowledge gained from working there over the last 3.5 years really propelled the information that I gained from there to be able to apply that to every single future endeavor that I'm ever going to face. So for that, I can't even express how appreciative I am because of that opportunity, but because there was a chance taken on me when I was hired to start TrailBuilt from the beginning. With all I had was basically just sales experience, 20 years of sales experience in my history before I started with TrailBuilt. But digital marketing and digital content marketing and social media marketing, I mean, all of that was a whole new aspect of the type of sales and the type of marketing that I was going to be getting into. So I can't say enough just, how appreciative I am of that opportunity, and the fact that I was able to gain all of those skills that I can now set the pace for the rest of my life. So I would never look back and look down on the opportunity that I was given, even though it didn't end, exactly the way that was ideal, but still a tremendous opportunity. And it's amicable because, my team members are still working there, and I still, would be an ambassador for TrailBuilt, and, I have no hard feelings. It's a situation in life where it's time to move on, and I'm excited about that because the future is really looking quite awesome. I'm building this channel here, Dirt Travel Adventures. I'm working on starting another company, building content for companies, and I have some pretty exciting news that's going to be coming up with that you guys are definitely going to have to hit that subscribe button, because, guys, I think we're just at the brink of kicking down this door of opportunity in the entire off-roading industry, and that's where I want to stay. That's where my passion is. It's been my passion since I was just a little kid playing in the sandbox with trucks. And if you guys watch the TrailBuilt channel, you guys know that I've mentioned that a few times. So this year is going to be just, I think, just spectacular. I'm super optimistic about all the good things that have already been happening. And this is the first video of many on Dirt Travel Adventures where, you know, I'm just bringing that segue into what happened with TrailBuilt, why I'm no longer there, you know, scratching that itch of curiosity. If you guys have been watching the TrailBuilt YouTube channel, you've noticed that there hasn't been any main YouTube videos posted since about the beginning of November, which is when I was let go. And now it looks like the entire corporation is just focusing more on like micro content and things like that. But here at Dirt Travel Adventures, you know, that's exactly what it's going to be. It's going to be all kinds of adventures that we're going to be doing this year. In fact, as of right now, as of filming this video, I just submitted a proposal to go to King of the Hammers with a major corporation, and I'm super stoked and super optimistic that everything's going to work out with that. So I'm super excited to, you know, continue on the endeavor of creating media, going to all these events, hanging out with all of you guys in the off-roading community. And that was the absolute best part of working for TrailBuilt. And, you know, I think that's going to continue. I think it's going to continue here with Dirt Travel Adventures, and it's going to be a lot of not the same stuff that we were doing for TrailBuilt, because here I'm not actually selling products. Here I'm just having fun and living life and enjoying it, and, you know, staying positive about everything. And I mean, for example, I have the 4Runner that I'm continuously kind of building and tweaking and upgrading to be sort of like my camping rig / media mobile that I'm working on. And then I still have my 89 Jeep Cherokee that we put the rough country lift in last year. That one's my son's vehicle that he's going to be driving as soon as he gets his license. And then I still have my 73 International Scout that needs some engine work done to it. So I'm going to be building that. And all of this is going to be presented here on Dirt Travel Adventures, as well as the adventures where we're going to be traveling all over the country. And it's going to be awesome. It's going to be wild. It's going to be a great time. And I hope you guys stick along with me, because it really is going to be quite the adventurous year. And there's going to be just a lot of stuff, a lot of cool stuff going on. And I'm still going to continue my educational videos too, like I did with TrailBuilt, you know, because there is a lot of information that's just like spinning around in this brain, and I got to get that out, right? So we're going to continue all of those educational videos, have a lot of fun with it. We're going to go on adventures. It's going to be great. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be great. It's going to be a really good time. So stick along with me, guys. Hopefully that does answer the question of if you guys were following us at TrailBuilt on the YouTube. Well, jump over here, follow us on Dirt Travel Adventures, hit that subscribe button, like this video, because that also helps the algorithm, share the video, and make sure and comment below. If there is anything that you guys would love to hear from me or see this year, definitely make sure and let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, just drop in and say hi, and let me know how you guys are doing. So with all of that said, I'm excited for the future. I'm excited to still be part of the off-roading industry, and I can't wait to see all of you guys and continue, you know, building that YouTube relationship with everybody, and personal relationship with a lot of people too. So pretty excited. Anyways, guys, I appreciate all of you for watching this video, and we'll see you guys out on the trails.